In the middle of the harsh African savanna, a breathtaking sight unfolds. An entire pride of lions, the lords of prey, is pausing, wary of an opponent that seems to be a mere herbivore. What could make these apex predators hesitate? And why is that creature called by the chilling name, the Black Death of Africa? The truth might surprise you, because the one making the entire pride of lions fearful is not a bloodthirsty assassin, but the African buffalo, the Cape buffalo. But do not let its seemingly docile appearance deceive you. Hidden behind that is one of the most dangerous and unpredictable species of the wild world. It is no coincidence that the African buffalo is classified in the Big Five list, the 5 most dangerous and difficult species to hunt on the dark continent. What is special is that they are not the largest, nor are they predators, yet they make both seasoned hunters and wild beasts wary. The nickname Black Death is not just a rumor, but stems from their very unpredictable nature, a volatile temperament, ready to switch from calm to attacking in just a split second, along with sudden and calculated counterattacks. And it is that very thing that raises a haunting question. What makes a herbivore capable of becoming one of the most fearsome creatures in Africa? African buffaloes are not confined to a fixed environment. They appear across sub-Saharan Africa, from vast grasslands and dense forests to damp, marshy areas. Their flexible adaptability helps them survive and thrive in many different harsh conditions. But behind that versatility exists a key weakness. They cannot live without water. Every day, the buffalo herd must migrate to find the nearest river, lake, or watering hole. And it is this very dependence that unintentionally shapes their entire behavior, territory, and survival strategy. So the question arises, when water sources become a vital factor, how does that affect the way buffaloes face their enemies and protect themselves? The true strength of the African buffalo does not lie in each individual, but in the powerful herd behind them. A herd may consist of only a few dozen, but sometimes reaches up to hundreds of individuals, bonded together by a tight social structure and incredible discipline. When danger strikes, they do not flee in panic. Instead, the entire herd quickly forms a living circle, placing the calves in the center and facing the predators head-on. Even if a member is attacked, the others are ready to return, coordinating a counterattack to rescue their kind. That is not just a survival instinct, but also a testament to a spirit of solidarity rarely seen in nature. And it is this very thing that heightens the emotion. Buffaloes are not just strong, they are united to an astonishing degree. Unlike most other herbivores, the African buffalo does not choose to flee when facing danger. They proactively attack. With an unpredictable nature, they can switch from a state of calmness to charging straight at the enemy in just a split second. More frighteningly, buffaloes also possess a rare behavior, ambushing. They can silently hide themselves in thickets, waiting for the right moment to launch a surprise counterattack, leaving both predators and humans unable to react in time. Those lightning-fast, powerful, and calculated attacks have created their notorious reputation across Africa. And that is also the reason why buffaloes are not only respected, but also considered one of the most dangerous species on this continent. On the African savanna, where the lion is honored as the lord, a silent but fierce confrontation is always taking place between the lion and the buffalo. Despite being the predator at the top of the food chain, a lion rarely dares to attack a lone buffalo without the coordination of the entire pride, because just one small mistake could cost its life. Violent counterattacks from the buffalo can turn the hunter into the victim. And then, in the most breathtaking moments, many times people have witnessed the entire herd turning back, joining forces to rescue their kind right from the fangs of death. It is these intense confrontations that pose a challenging question. Is the lion truly the king of the savanna, or does that title need to be reconsidered? Not just the living tanks of the savanna, the African buffalo also plays the role of nature's silent gardener. By grazing every day, they help control the vegetation, preventing the overgrowth of weeds and contributing to maintaining the fragile balance of the ecosystem. Thanks to this, many other animal species also benefit, creating a tight chain of survival links in nature. However, behind that incredible strength and adaptation, the buffalo is still facing growing threats: habitat loss, disease, and poaching. Although there are currently about 900,000 individuals existing in the wild, their future is not entirely certain, and conservation efforts are becoming more important than ever. Finally, when looking back at the entire journey, the African buffalo emerges not just as a powerful animal, but also as a symbol of collective strength and a spirit of solidarity rare in the wild world. And perhaps the most thought-provoking thing is, in nature, not every predator is the strongest. An often overlooked but extremely important aspect is the communication system of the African buffalo. They do not merely react by instinct, but also use many sophisticated signals such as low-pitched sounds, head movements, or gaze direction to convey information within the herd. When danger is detected, it only takes one alert individual for the entire herd to immediately change state, from quiet to ready for combat. This synchronization is not accidental, but the result of an evolutionary process that helps them react quickly without chaos. In addition, the endurance of the buffalo is also an incredible factor. They can continue to move and fight even when severely injured, something that makes many predators give up halfway. This stubbornness not only helps them survive, but also creates reverse psychological pressure on the opponent. A seemingly easy hunt can quickly turn into a dangerous situation simply because the prey refuses to submit. The activity timing of the buffalo also plays an important role in survival strategy. They often move in the early morning or late afternoon, when the temperature is milder and the risk of encountering predators is minimized. Choosing safe times for essential activities shows that they are not only strong, but also know how to utilize the environment to minimize risk. Another factor contributing to the unpredictability of the buffalo is the ability to adapt to hunting pressure over time. In areas with high lion density, buffalo herds often become more vigilant, move more tightly, and react more fiercely. Conversely, in places with fewer enemies, they tend to be more relaxed. This shows that their behavior is not fixed, but changes flexibly depending on the circumstances, a clear sign of survival intelligence. Not only that, the role of the lead individuals is also very noteworthy. Experienced buffaloes are often the decision makers in critical situations, such as choosing the direction of movement or the timing of a confrontation. Experience accumulated over many years helps them identify danger earlier and provide appropriate responses, thereby increasing the survival chances for the entire herd. Finally, what makes the buffalo truly different does not lie in a single characteristic, but in the way all these factors combine. Strength, solidarity, adaptability, and precise reaction all blend into an almost perfect survival system. It is this synthesis that has turned a seemingly ordinary herbivore into an opponent that even the most fearsome predators must consider before striking. If you find that this story makes you look at nature from a different perspective, do not forget to follow to discover more surprising mysteries waiting ahead.